8th class student, exercise 10B, profit and loss, profit and loss, discount. We use the MP is mark price. In a big shop, departmental store, every article is tagged with the card. Its price is written on it. This is called the mark price. And LP is list price. List price is factory mark the price according to supply by factory, at which retailer is supposed to sell them. This price is known as the list of price of the article. Discount is in order to increase the sale or clear the old stock. Sometimes shopkeeper offer a certain percentage on rebate the mark price. This rebate is known as discount. Discount is MP minus SP. Mark price minus SP. Discount count the MP. Now to begin the 10th exercise 10B. First question is the MP of mark price of a cooler, water cooler. Is equal to 4,650 rupees. Shopkeeper offer to season. Discount is 18%. What is the selling price? Find the selling price. At first, find the discount. Discount is 18% of 4,650. Remove the percent, write the upon 100 of change into multiply 4,650. Divide 0 divided by 0. 2 5 ja 10. 2 9 ja 5 divided by 5 9 ja 45. 1 15 5 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 2 कैरी 99 जा 81 81 और 2 83 shopkeeper is give the discount of 18% who will be 837 rupees. After discount, selling price of a water cooler will be MP minus mark price minus discount. Mark price is equal to 4,650 minus 836 is discount. After minus is 3 1 and 8 and 3 3,813 rupees. Water cooler is first question is complete. Second question is the price of a sweater MP of sweater is equal to 960 rupees. Selling price of sweater is equal to 816 rupees is given the shopkeeper. We find the discount percent या rate of discount. Discount is mark price minus selling price. 960 minus 816. After minus is 144 rupees. Shopkeeper given the discount of sweater 140 rupees. Discount percent is will be discount into 100 upon mark price. Discount is 144 rupees into 100 upon 960 rupees. 0 by 0. 12 12 जा 144 12 8 जा 4 2 जा 4 3 जा 2 5 जा 10 3 5 जा 15% are given the discount of a shopkeeper. Question number 2 is complete. Question 3. Question 3 is find the rate discount of a shirt selling price. Question number 3 is selling price of a shirt is equal to 1092 rupees. Discount is 208 rupees. MP will be, mark price will be SP plus discount. SP our 1092 plus 208. After plus is 1300 rupees. Rate of discount percent is equal to discount is 208 into 100 upon MRP is 1300 0 by 20 by 20 and 13 1 जा 6 जा 78 16% discount is given the shopkeeper. Question number 4 is after allowing the discount 8% on toy, the SP of toys is equal to 216.20 rupees. Rate of discount is equal to 8%. Discount as count the MP, so we'll add the MP, let the mark price of a toy was X rupees. Discount will be according to 8% of x 8 upon 100 into x 2 upon 25 divided by 4 2 upon 25x rupees are given the discount. Selling price is equal to toy is equal to 216.20. SP will be MP minus discount MP over X. Discount is 2 upon 25x is equal to 216.20. Write the upon 1. Take the LCM. LCM is 25. 25x minus 2x is equal to 216.20. After minus 23 upon 25x is equal to 216.20. X is equal to 216.20 into 25 upon 23. Remove the point. 0 divided by 0. 2 5 2 जा 10. 5 5 जा 25. 2162 into 5 upon 23 into 2. Divide by 2. 2 1 जा 2. 0 8 and 1. Divide by 23. 1081. Divide by 23. 23 4 जा 92. 6 and 1. 1 7 जा 61. After divide 23 is 47. After multiply 5 7 जा 35. 3 carry. 4 5 जा 20. 23. 225 rupees was the MP of toy. Thank you.